this is what we doing. We writing on these gift tags that I got out of uh not Michael's, actually. I got it out of, what's the other one, AC Moore or something like that. It was near my dentist, so I decided to go inside, and they had like, it was another arts and crafts store, so they had gift tags, so that's what I got. So I'm not gonna put it on the mini earrings with the quote because these are too big, unfortunately, and it's just gonna look stupid and doofy. So I'm not gonna do that. But what I will do, I will put it on a Tracy, and I'm gonna put the mini in this snazzy jazzy gold bag so that she still feels special. Okay, okay. Slide it in there, close that up, put that here, just sit it nice and gently in there. I'm gonna actually put the other Tracy earrings behind it, so it's gonna look like a nice little gift when they open it up. And that'll be that. So I write the quote myself. Handwritten notes are really a nice touch in your packages. I know once you get to a certain point, that's not really possible for a lot of people. But I like to do it because people like it, you know? It makes them feel special. And I like to make people feel special. You know, my business is really about helping women feel like a goddess and a queen, and loving themselves and appreciating themselves as they are, from where they are, and becoming the best that they can be. And I like to do whatever is in my power to help make their days better, if that makes sense. So I like to line them up, align perfectly, and I will slip this through here. A little trick. Tie it up. I only tie it once because I want it to be loose enough for the customer to be able to pull it off without an issue. Slide it behind there, and now we have a cute little gift. People feel special when they open this, like, oh, I bought myself something, or oh, somebody bought me something. That's so sweet. Nice. So now, as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's gonna slide down, but that's what it looks like. My nails look so bad, I'm sorry. All right, yeah, that's what it looks like. Cute. We close it up, tuck it in, we make sure it's neat. We do everything in excellence, okay? Boom. Got a little poppage. I don't like that. I might put a little strip of tape. My mom called and messed up my video, so back to what I was doing. Now, I haven't purchased bubble wrap ever. I've never purchased bubble wrap. I keep the bubble wrap from all of my vendors. All of, like, any bubble wrap that I get, I fold it up, I keep it in a nice bag, and I have not run out ever. Okay? Keep your bubble wrap and save some bread. Like, we started from the bottom, okay? Nobody got time to be buying rolls of bubble wrap until it's time to buy rolls of bubble wrap. Don't put the cart before the horse. Who says that? Don't put the cart before the horse. If my video is trash when I put it up, y'all better still be nice to me and comment nice things, because I am trying, and this is taking a lot because I do not like being in front of the camera at all. Like, that's why all of my photo shoots and stuff like that, it has models, and because I'm yeah. But you know, my best friend keeps telling me, Winnie, shout out to my best friend Winnie, she keeps telling me, like, just talk to it like it's a friend, talk to it like it's me. So that's what I'm gonna do. I miss her so much. I cannot wait until May for the Roll Around Festival, which I will probably vlog. I gotta get a selfie stick to make sure that I'm able to do it. But that's gonna be lit. So you'll probably meet my best friend then. And she's everything. We used to live together in New York, and we had crazy, crazy, crazy adventures. Probably do story times on that. And she lives in Florida now, and I live in Richmond, and we both miss New York immensely, and each other immensely. And I haven't seen her in a while just because life has been crazy. Like, I've been through so much, like, crazy. I feel like I'm always going through something, but this is the year that we getting it together, okay? Okay. I hate layered necklaces. This is why I don't keep many in stock. This is why. Because makes me aggy, like, dealing with this shit, bro. I would rather have a bunch of necklaces in different lengths for sale so that you can build your own stack, because this layered shit is not the wave. But that's why, you know, we sample things. We purchase in small quantities first. I usually purchase about 5 of an item at first to test it out. And first I buy the samples. I buy 1 item at a time of things that I'm probably the pickiest person alive. Like, even when I used to go on I used to go to my vendors with like my best friend, and she'll be showing me stuff, and I'm like, you know, I'm like, it's really like a personal experience when I'm choosing the product for the website. Like, I have to connect to it, you know, like it has to pull me in. So it really, you know, it's a process. It's a process. It's not just, oh, I'm just going to a vendor, picking up a bunch of stuff that I think is trendy and throwing it up on a website. Like, it's not like that. Like, I really sit there and think about the whole process. Like, do I like it, first of all? Because if I don't like it, I'm not gonna sell it. And will my customer like it? Because, you know, all of my jewelry is named after a woman. So who can I name this after? You know, like, whose spirit does this match? Like, what celebrity or what person in history, what woman in history? So I always think about all of that stuff. And layered necklaces always give me trouble. That was the point of this, of that whole dissertation. Can I turn the light back on? Does it look better with the light or without the light? I think better with the light. I think I look better with the light. My nails are so bad, and I'm trying to wait for all of them to fall off before I go get them done. And I'm going to a new person because the guy that usually does my nails, like, he does not give one single fuck about my natural nails, and they like all have like split and cracked, and it's terrible. So I'm trying to just wait for all of them to come off so that I can go to a new girl and get my shit done the right way. I'm actually gonna throw a quote card in here as well. So that's why my nails look busted right now. I usually get my nails done faithfully every 3 to 4 weeks. But I said, you know what? Let me sit my ass down and let my nails get it together. Because this is not cute, having my nails hurt and cracking and hanging and stuff like that. Like, my natural nails used to be real cute. I don't understand what's going on. So I'm not gonna go to him anymore, because if you don't give a fuck about my natural nails, like, what? I'm paying you too much money not to give a fuck about my natural nails. Put the assembly line, you know, just hopefully, you know, one day I will have people packing this stuff up and doing this whole process for me. But I am such a control freak, honestly. Like, even when I had my business before my hiatus, like before I took a break, I had an assistant, and some things came back like broken, and I just knew it was because, you know, people are not going to care as much as you do about your business. Like, this is your baby, and people are just not going to care as much as you do, because it's not theirs. You know, they don't care as much as you paying them, and if so, or as much as you do for them. Like, that's what I've learned in business. Like, people don't care about you for real unless you're doing something for them. Unless you, hold on, Eric, I'm filming. Shut up. This is why you don't live with men. But yeah, my throw up. I forgot what I was talking about. But yeah, people not gonna care as much as you do about your business. So make sure that you are on top of it. Like, even if people feel like you micromanaging them, like, honestly, until I feel comfortable with what you're doing, I'm probably gonna micromanage you, just because I've had to spend my money to get new stuff for a client because you didn't pack it right. Like, you know, the basic stuff. You know, I don't like to have a lot of sales on my, well, I'm gonna keep it a buck. What I've learned is that from the first time that I had my business is that if you have a lot of sales, people will come to expect that from your business and only shop when you have a sale. So upon relaunching, I don't always have a sale at all. You want to keep them spaced out so that people purchase from your website on a regular and not just when you're having a sale. Got it? Because we trying to go to another level. You know, we can't get to the warehouse if we buy things at a discount all the time, because that's cutting into the profit. And the profit is what is going to build the business. Okay, so we need the profit. Y'all want me to pay influencers? Y'all want me to you know, I want to design my own line. I really, really do. I have some designs that I would like to get manufactured, but it's really, really expensive. And I can't elevate my business without the support of my tribe. I'm definitely going to put, you know, my website at the beginning or end of this, so you can go ahead and drop a shopping blessing on your girl and get some of this homemade love. This is love right here. This is me and you and love. Do everything with intention. Salon said that in her, well, she didn't say it. She had a clip of somebody saying, do everything with intention. And my intentions when I pick up these pieces, when I name these pieces, when I pack up these pieces, when I store these pieces, it's all love. Like, this is literally what I love to do. Okay, like, this is me loving this. Like, this is all I'm able to do. This is all that my mental health will allow me to do. Seriously, like, I don't do things my way. Please don't do things my way. Keep your job. Keep your day job. Keep that money coming in, because all of the money that you're making with your business needs to go back into your business until you're at a point where you can pay yourself a salary, and you want to have some money saved up. So pay yourself first is definitely one of the principles that I follow, where 10% of everything that I earn goes into a savings, but all of the rest of the money that Lost Queens generates at this time goes back into the business. And I'm okay with that, because I have another source of income. Like, I do social media management for another small business downtown, in downtown Richmond actually. And so I'm able to pay my bills not with the money that's coming from my business. So all the money that my business, the money that my business makes right now can go into elevating it, which is what you want to do ideally.